So as you can see, unfortunately this is the beginning of the trail and it's closed, and I don't think it's a good idea to climb. So I really wanted to climb that one, but there is another one in the opposite direction here. That's Mount Merbabu. Maybe I can climb that one. Oh, see? Oh, thank you. I go to there, Merbabu. Yeah, thank you. So that's Mount Merapi that is closed, and I'm going this way. They asked for 20,000 Rupiah, which is like $1.50, and they wanted to also give me a bike because they said you have to park your bike there and rent a bike to the entrance. I said no, thank you. Very beautiful Mount Merapi. This is the north side, and the south side there was eruption. So, and this is the Merbabu. So let's go. This is main entrance. It was very steep from the place they asked for money and to here, maybe 250 meters elevation. And yeah, I'm gonna just rest for the 2 minutes and then continue. So this is the second part of the trail. It's not that steep, and it's still, I think, motorcycles can go through, so that's why they are offering to base 1, 2, 3, 4, wherever you want they can take you. But what is the fun in that if you want to climb a mountain? It's so beautiful. Look at those clouds. I think I climbed maybe more than 500, 600 altitude, and I'm close to a place called Merapi viewpoint, but actually you can see Merapi from everywhere. After a very steep section, now the path is a very low percentage of slope, and it's nice. It's very windy. When there is sun it's good, but if there is no sun you get cold, but nothing major. Okay, this is post 2, and I think that's the path. It goes all the way up there, and if you want you can rest here. There is a trash bag here if you want to leave your trash maybe, and also woods if you want to camp. Yeah, nice spot, a good shade tree, and let's continue. Just before Merapi viewpoint, this is a very nice spot if you want camp there. It has a very good shade and it's very big, so it also has many woods. Yeah, I'm very close to the Merapi viewpoint. I'm gonna rest, definitely. The wind is very strong here. I'm at Merapi viewpoint, and I think maybe that or another peak behind that is the top. I don't know what that is built. Let's just check it out. So this area is post 4 maybe, and that's a viewpoint, but it's closed. I don't know, it's like a maybe safe house, and here is just too windy. The whole place is just very windy. It's not a good place for camping. I found a very good corner here to just rest and have some food, some bananas and stuff. Yeah, okay, let's go. I've seen this in Sindoro as well, and high altitude. I really don't know what is that. You can see. So this section is very steep, and there is a rope that can help you to grab it and use the rope, put your weight on your hands and go up. It's post 4, and there are many places for camping around here, and it has a good cover with trees, so it's not windy at all. And I still have to go all the way up there, maybe 450 meter elevation left to climb. Oh, clouds are here. Look at that, that's not a time lapse, that's the speed of clouds. This is post 5. Look at that cloud, it's so funny. Oh, for a second I thought that's a eruption, but it was just a cloud. Only 170 meter left to gain in elevation, and I think the best competitor that you can have in your life is yourself. And hiking for 8-9 hours by yourself in the mountain is the best way to do the race with you, with yourself, with inner you, with all different version of you. And it doesn't matter if you win or lose. Always it's good. 50 meters left in elevation, and I think probably this thing, as you see there, is big. Let's do it. This is north side of the Merbabu, and there are some tents like over there. It's a camping site, I think. And this is one peak. This is magnificent Merapi. And this is another peak. I'm gonna go to this one. Let's see. Oh, this is 3,122 meter peak, and now and you can see, or maybe you can't see, and there and there, very beautiful. The time is 2 and probably I have 2.5 hours to go down, and it's so magnificent, the view, and so far I feel good. I feel very good. I tried to fly the drone. Actually, I was so happy that I didn't even start the recording, but at the end I did some recording, but there was so fog and wind and I couldn't go higher, but everything is just so beautiful. Mount Merapi is completely in clouds, and also when I was climbing Merbabu I had a deja vu. So there's a saying that they say if you have a deja vu, it means that you are in your track and you are in where you're supposed to be. I don't know, but maybe I had to go to Merbabu instead of Merapi in the first place. So yeah, now it's getting a bit chilly with these fogs and clouds. Okay, let's go down. I mean, look at this view. Wow, the clouds are so fast. Look at this. Another thing, during my going up the summit, I met a few groups of locals again, and they were asking, all of them were asking, are you alone? And I would say yes, and they would say something like, oh, you're Samad, like you're strong. It feels so good. Thank you. Indonesian people, very nice, very warm-hearted. Wow. So I think I have less than 40 minutes to reach the registration office where my bike is there, and I met so many good Indonesians, all of them with a big smile and encouraging me, and thank you all. And also I met a group of 4 near the post 4, I think, and they offered me tea or coffee, and then I had a coffee, very delicious coffee, and their name was Tono, Tigor, Rojak and Urban, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you guys, thank you. And yeah, so I will go a little bit more down and then maybe a final rest and have some fruit, and see you guys then. I think I have maybe 10 minutes to the registration office, and it's so beautiful here. And this is almost the last part of the hike. Okay, before finishing the hike, I want to show you what I have in my bag, and a rain jacket that didn't use it almost, and let's see, controller for drone, I barely used it, and the drone itself, useless cashew and almonds from supermarket. They were awful, so I mentioned that. But my favorite thing, why do you see the Mount Merapi? I had 2 bottles of water, as you can see. Still have a little bit left, and I had a biscuit, gave it to the guys that gave me coffee, and yeah, I have 1 banana left. I'm gonna eat it now, and a little bit of a tangerine or mandarin, and of course apple. This combination is best for hike. Banana gives you power and immense energy for your hike, and mandarin is good for your thirst, and apple is just amazing. It's just so refreshing. Yeah, never forget apple. So yeah, thank you guys. Now I'm gonna eat my last fruits and then go get my bike. Yeah, thanks.